Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nurse Career Blueprint. I'm Miriam, a registered nurse, nurse practitioner, educator, and author. I'm passionate about helping nurses thrive in their careers and personal lives. And today, we're talking about something crucial for both: saving money. Being a nurse is a rewarding career, but it doesn't always come with a hefty paycheck. Many nurses struggle with student loans, rising living costs, and unexpected expenses. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share 10 practical tips to help you save money on a nurse's salary. Don't forget to subscribe to the Nurse Career Blueprint YouTube channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your fellow nurses. The first step to saving money is understanding where your money is going. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Categorize everything: rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, etc. Identify areas where you can cut back. Are you spending too much on takeout? Could you reduce your entertainment budget? A budget helps you prioritize spending and allocate more towards savings. There are tons of budgeting apps available that can simplify this process. Popular options include Mint, YNAB, and Personal Capital. Find one that suits your needs and stick with it. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you achieve your financial goals, not a restriction. It empowers you to make informed decisions. So take control of your finances and start budgeting today. Eating out regularly can quickly drain your bank account. Save money by meal prepping and cooking at home. Plan your meals and make a grocery list. This prevents impulse purchases. Prep meals in advance for long shifts. Cook larger portions and store them for easy meals. Invest in a good lunchbox. Bringing lunch to work saves money and promotes healthier choices. Keep healthy snacks to avoid vending machine temptations. Make cooking at home a fun activity. We live in a subscription-based world, and it's easy to accumulate more subscriptions than we need. Take some time to review all your subscriptions: streaming services, music apps, gym memberships, etc. Are you using them all regularly? If not, cancel them. If you share a household with family or friends, consider sharing accounts to reduce costs. Many streaming services offer different tiers with varying features and prices. Downgrade to a less expensive plan if you don't need all the bells and whistles. Be honest with yourself about which subscriptions bring you value and which ones you can live without. Small monthly savings can add up significantly over time. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your financial well-being over entertainment or convenience. You can always resubscribe later if you truly miss a particular service. Cutting down on unnecessary subscriptions is a quick and easy way to free up some extra cash in your budget. Chapter 4. Take advantage of employee benefits. Many employers offer a range of benefits that can help you save money. Check with your HR department to see what's available to you. Some common benefits include discounts on gym memberships, phone plans, local businesses, and even continuing education. Your employer may also offer retirement savings plans with matching contributions. This is essentially free money, so be sure to take advantage of it if available. Healthcare benefits are also a significant factor to consider. Compare different health plan options and choose one that best suits your needs and budget. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification about your benefits. HR representatives are there to help you understand and utilize the resources available to you. Taking advantage of employee benefits can significantly reduce your expenses and boost your savings. It's like getting a hidden pay raise. So, do your research and maximize your employee benefits. Chapter 5. Use cashback and rewards programs. Cashback apps and rewards credit cards can be a great way to earn money on your everyday purchases. There are numerous cashback apps available that offer rebates on groceries, gas, and other essentials. Link your credit or debit cards to these apps and earn cash back automatically. However, be cautious with rewards credit cards. Only use them if you can pay off your balance in full each month to avoid accruing interest charges. The rewards are not worth it if you end up paying more in interest than you earn in cash back. Choose a credit card with rewards that align with your spending habits. Some cards offer higher cash back on specific categories like groceries or travel. Research different cards and find one that suits your needs. Use your rewards wisely. You can redeem them for cashback, statement credits, or even travel miles. Cashback and rewards programs can put extra money back in your pocket, but use them responsibly. Chapter 6. Carpool or use public transportation. Transportation costs can be a significant expense, especially if you have a long commute. If you live close to your workplace, consider walking, biking, or using public transportation. These options are not only cheaper but also healthier and more environmentally friendly. If public transportation isn't feasible, explore carpooling options with colleagues. Sharing rides can significantly reduce your gas and parking expenses. Even carpooling a few days a week can make a noticeable difference in your budget. If you must drive, maintain your car regularly to ensure optimal fuel efficiency. Proper tire pressure, regular oil changes, and air filter replacements can improve your gas mileage. Consider purchasing a fuel-efficient vehicle if you're in the market for a new car. Reducing your transportation costs can free up a significant amount of money in your budget. Chapter 7. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money on household essentials like toilet paper, paper towels, and cleaning supplies. Warehouse clubs like Costco or Sam's Club offer significant discounts on bulk purchases. However, be mindful of only buying what you need and can use before it expires or goes bad. Don't be tempted to buy something just because it's a good deal. Overbuying can lead to waste and negate any potential savings. Before joining a warehouse club, calculate whether the membership fee is worth it based on your shopping habits. If you don't shop frequently enough, the membership fee may outweigh the savings. Share a membership with family or friends to split the cost and maximize the benefits. Buying in bulk can be a smart way to save money, but only if you do it strategically. Chapter 8. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases are a budget killer. We've all been there, browsing online or strolling through a store and suddenly feeling the urge to buy something we don't really need. To combat impulse buying, create a rule to wait 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. This cooling off period allows you to think rationally about whether you truly need the item or if it's just a fleeting desire. Remove your credit card information from online stores to make it more difficult to make impulse purchases. Unsubscribe from retail email lists to avoid temptation. These emails are designed to entice you to spend money, so removing yourself from the constant barrage of promotions can be helpful. When you feel the urge to buy something, ask yourself if it aligns with your budget and financial goals. If not, walk away. Avoiding impulse purchases takes discipline, but it's a crucial step towards saving money. Chapter 9. Use your skills to earn extra income. As a nurse, you have valuable skills that are in high demand. Consider using your skills to earn extra income. You could pick up extra shifts at your hospital, work per diem at another facility, or pursue a side hustle. Many nurses offer tutoring services to nursing students or provide telehealth services. Explore different options and find something that fits your schedule and interests. Earning extra income can significantly boost your savings and help you reach your financial goals faster. It also provides a sense of financial security and independence. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore unconventional income streams. Your nursing skills are an asset that can open up numerous opportunities. Use your expertise to your advantage and generate extra income. Chapter 10. Set savings goals and automate your savings. Setting specific savings goals is essential for staying motivated and on track. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or retirement, having a clear goal in mind will help you stay focused. Break down your larger savings goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This will make the process less daunting and provide a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone. Once you have your goals set, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This ensures that you save consistently without the temptation to spend the money. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Just as you pay your rent or mortgage on time, prioritize your savings contributions. Automating your savings removes the emotional element and makes saving a seamless part of your financial routine. Saving money on a nurse's salary is absolutely possible with planning and discipline. It requires conscious effort and a commitment to making smart financial choices. By implementing these 10 practical tips, you can take control of your finances and build a solid financial foundation. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Don't forget to subscribe to the Nurse Career Blueprint YouTube channel for more career and financial advice for nurses. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your fellow nurses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.